Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this bottle. I just saw it on Pinterest a couple days ago and I was thinking to recreate that. So the design doesn't belong to me at all and I just saw that on Pinterest. I want to recreate that and practice through recreating that. So let's get started. I have all the colors I want to use here and you can do the same thing because it makes all the process easier to have the colors in your artboard. So just bring all the colors you want to use here and you can make them in your swatches, but I don't want to do that. First of all, I choose my ellipse tool and I don't want to talk about that because it's so simple and so easy. I guess you know the basic knowledge you need to know and you just need to watch the process. I remember when I was learning Illustrator, I knew the basics, but it was sometimes complicated for me how to start, how to go for colors and shadows and highlights, something like that. And I'm gonna to show you the process. That's it.
Babe, tonight my heart is on fire and I can't help thinking of you. Babe, tonight the suit is getting higher and I can't help wanting you. My desire keeps growing up and it's getting out of control. Babe, I can't tell you the truth about my heart is burning, my darling, and I can't rest till I got you. My body's burning, my darling, please let me free. Tonight we can fix everything under the moon. I can see your eyes, babe. Tonight I just want your love above the stars. I only see you. My desire keeps growing up and it's getting out of control. Babe, I can't tell you the truth about love.
Now I'm done with all the lines I wanted to create and I want to copy them into a new layer. But before that, I want to make sure I have all the shapes, I want this shape, this one to be a shape, this one, this one. So for that, I choose all the strokes I have, choose the shape builder tool, and I can see this is a shape, this is a shape, but this one is not. Maybe because the lines I made are not closed. I have to fix that before anything to do. I had a little problem with this. It's so big and huge, I guess. Now that I fixed the problem, I choose all the lines that I have and choose the shape builder tool, and I can see all these are the shapes. Now I'm good to go for the creating a new layer. By holding the Alt on your keyboard or Option, click on this little circle here, choose and drag it to this new layer. I rename it to lines. That's okay, and I like this one and make it invisible, and this one is the colors. That's fine. Now I get back to this layer. I choose all strokes and choose a random color for them. That doesn't matter what color, which color. Now I don't need the strokes. I can keep them, but maybe with a lighter color, and they are so thin for me. Thick, sorry, they are so thick. I want to make them thinner. That's fine. We are good to go. Now I can choose each color for each shape. For example, I choose this one, choose my eyedropper tool, and here we go. Choose your direct selection tool with clicking V on your keyboard. Choose this shape, I for eyedropper, and boom. this one, hold the shift this one, and hold the shift this one. I want to make them this color, but I want to change the transparency here. Yeah, that's fine. And for this shape, and send it to backward. Let's see. Yeah, that's really fine. Now that I have all the shapes, I want to do the shadows.
Tonight I just want your love above the stars. I only see you. My desire keeps growing up and it's getting out of control. Babe, I can't tell you the truth about love. You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back.